Yo, what is good, guys? Session open, but we're here in Dubai. Check the Burj, check the city. Bam. Okay, but session opened around like 6 minutes ago. It wasn't moving too nice, but now it's starting to move nice. And regardless, session opens at 6:30 p.m. here, so it's kind of late, but it's okay, man. It's time to trade in the city that never sleeps. But I mean, I think that's New York, but regardless. But if my microphone quality is bad, sorry. But yeah, it's time to trade. But regardless, looking pretty clean right now. We took out 4 time highs. We took out, yeah, everything is quite bearish. Everything is bearish. I mean, except one time frame, but everything's going down right now. Took out the 50-minute low. If that would give us an MSS, I would buy, right? Yeah, but for me to see the MSS, I would need to see 2 closures, right? 2 closures. Otherwise, it's not worth it. But anyways, guys, stay tuned for a crazy vlog in the main channel, Adriel Cash. Okay, week in the life, right, in Dubai, and it's gonna be nice. But this is pretty much the second day here. Yesterday we just came here, so I didn't trade yesterday. I was on the flight, but let's see if we find a trade, man. Yeah, so this is looking pretty damn bullish right now. I mean, bullish in a sense that it's creating the MSS. What we need after the 50-minute low taken. You guys didn't know lows equal liquidity. Okay, liquidity when it gets taken, big banks are happy, institutions are happy, and we can pretty much buy the markets after that, right? If we get the MSS, okay, because the price can reverse, right? Got one closure, we need the second one. You hear that? That's money right there. So man, we got the MSS. As you can see, we closed above this. I didn't enter yet, but if we do retrace a little bit, maybe to this area, I could potentially buy the market right here. But for now, I'm not looking yet. Kind of unfortunate. Could have bought it from here, but regardless, man, I'm gonna wait for the price to retrace a bit or create another closure. Okay, haven't entered yet, right? All right, guys. So if we get this closure, I'm probably gonna end up buying. Guys, here's the thing. We already got the MSS, but it wasn't too clean. As you can see, broke once, then went down, broke here. Not too clean, but this would be amazing. Okay, this would be the third closure. If we get this, I'm gonna buy it. And there we go. All right, guys. I just bought the markets on Nasdaq. I'm looking for the price to go up. Right, I got filled right here. Put the stop loss below here, and I'm gonna target 1 to 2 our multiple 1288, right? And the thing is, we're at all-time high. No, we're not at all-time highs. We're not at all-time highs. I'm tripping. Yeah, I'm gonna target around 1 to 1.8, 1 to 1.8, which is pretty good, almost 1 to 2. And if we get that, that will be solid. Now we're gonna wait. All right, guys, I closed, and there we go. There we go, guys. First trade ever in Dubai, and it hits TP. This is just amazing. Hold on, let me just go to a place where I can just speak better, and so that you can understand what I'm actually saying, because there's so much background noise here. All right, so as you guys can see, I moved to a more quieter place. But if you guys didn't notice, what did I do? You probably noticed already, obviously. But back at the time, everything was quite bearish, right? But the thing is, 1 hour time was bullish, 30-minute was bullish, and 50-minute was bullish. Also, there was the 50-minute liquidity sweep. Lows have liquidity, can reverse the market, and bang, we'll go to the 1 minute time frame to see that. If it actually wants to reverse the market, we gotta see the MSS, right? And once we see the MSS, we got 1 closure, bang, second closure, MSS, second closure, right? But it happened all the way down here, not too clean. I waited for the third closure, closed all the way up here, and that means the trend is still continuing. Okay, all we gotta do is hop on the moving train, and the rest is history. Beautiful trade, beautiful shit, and all I gotta say, clean. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and as usual, I'll see you on the other side. Peace out.